What's going on, guys? Crypto Chris back with another cryptocurrency breakdown video. And before I jump into this video, guys, you already know what you need to do. You need to like, subscribe, tick the little bell to get the notification for when the next video drops, guys. And if you've got any comments or feedback, please leave it in the comment section. Also, if you'd like me to do an altcoin breakdown of your choice, please leave it in the comment section. Right, guys, I was gonna jump on BTC, but there's, as far as I know, I've just seen there's been a major development in XRP. Apparently they have a new strategic partner. Which strategic partner could this be? Is this the rumor of MoneyGram? Have they acquired MoneyGram? I mean, if they did, that is a huge partnership, guys. And a quick note about XRP, we haven't heard any big news about XRP for a little while, and that usually means if they've gone quiet, they're working on something in the background. And I just want to show you guys what's happened here on the chart. It's been very bullish for a little while, guys. If you haven't seen, we've been making high lows here, guys. We broke out of this wedge formation, guys, and as you can see, guys, price is absolutely rocketing to upside. We've just taken out this wick. So what I'm looking for now is a test of 46 cents and then potentially retest this 47 cents. But if this news or rumors is got some truth to it, I mean, guys, we could be looking at 47 cents plus. I mean, look at this bullish candle as it goes. I mean, I'll monitor this throughout this stream and see how we're getting on. But like I said, guys, we've broke over this wedge here. We broke out this downslope and resistance. I mean, look at this, all these retest of the trend line. I've got 1 2 3 4 5, boom, to the upside. And now I'm looking to take out this wick here and then retest this high here. That is my short-term targets now with this potential news and this bullish engulfing candle. Right, next up, guys, this jump into Bitcoin. So if you guys follow me on my Telegram, you'll know that I had this call from pretty much in this region here, guys. I was expecting, I said, if we get a breakout of this down sloping resistance, we could retest this previous high here. And guys, look, like we retested, got rejected, and look, we found support on this down sloping resistance once again. So my medium term targets for upside is 9,600 and 9,919, basically $10,000, because that is a psychological resistance in my opinion, guys. So I'm looking for a bit of consolidation here, possibly another retest to the upside. However, if price fails, we have support on 8,800 and we have further down support on the 0.382 fib. It lines up perfectly with 8,600. So yes, so BTC absolutely ripping to the upside once again. Momentum is carried it. We broke through 8,400, which was a region I was currently looking at, and we were testing the 9,400. Are we going to see 10,000 by the end of the week? I mean, if momentum continues, guys, and we don't have a massive candlestick of doom, it is highly possible. And 10,000 region is a crucial region price. Not only is it actually technical resistance, it is also psychological resistance, because a lot of people looking at this magic $10,000 to be broken. And if we break it and we like slice through it like butter, a lot of media outlets will be all over that, saying Bitcoin's broke through 10,000. But at the moment we are consolidating in this region from this upsurge. So we're looking at it, if this could be another potential bull flag. Right, last but not least, we are going to jump into Ethereum. I'll be as quick as I can, guys. Once again, higher lows have been forming again time and time again, this trend line has been respected on many times, and in my opinion, it looks like we have an ascending triangle forming on Ethereum. An ascending triangle is a flat line, top of resistance, and upsloping support. And to be honest, guys, I'm looking for a break of this red box zone here, and I believe if we break through that, price could absolutely surge to $300. If I just clear it, I also just want to show another thing that I'm currently looking at. So we also have this downsloping resistance here, and I believe if this resistance here, guys, if we manage to break through this resistance, boom, we are going to sell to $300, and the next target, if I'm not mistaken, is about $320. So this is the reason I have $300 here. We have this cluster of wicks at $300, so but the first price target, and then we've got this next cluster of resistance in the past, which is $320. So at the moment, everything in my opinion is looking pretty much to the upside, but like I've said, guys, you need to anticipate also the downside. This is the crypto market we're dealing with. This is the most volatile market in the world. Anyway, guys, hope you enjoyed this quick breakdown video, guys. Don't forget to drop a like, subscribe, tick the little bell to get a notification, and I'll see you guys on the moon. Crypto Chris over and what's going on, guys? It's Crypto Chris back with another cryptocurrency breakdown video. I just want to do a quick breakdown of Bitcoin and Ethereum, just to show you what's happened in the recent price movements, where support and resistance is, what am I looking to happen in the next few days or so. And yes, so if you like this video, please drop a like, guys, share it, subscribe, like, tick the little bell to get the notification for when the next video drops, guys. And if you've got any feedback or you'd like me to do any other altcoin breakdowns, please leave it in the description. All right, guys, for some of you that follow me on Telegram, we caught a beautiful trade yesterday, guys. So I just want to show you what's been happening. So if I go on the daily chart, it will become a bit more clear. So what was happening is, if I get the drawing tool out here, so everybody was expecting the head and shoulders pattern to come in. So head and shoulders, so you've got the left shoulder here, you've got the head, and then people were expecting for price to just touch where the resistance was on the left shoulder, and then usually price rolls down. This is the neckline here, and then if price breaks through here, and then you're looking about, it could go all the way back down to under 7,000. But like I've been saying all week, guys, no pattern is valid until you have confirmations, because it's very risky shorting it from up here expecting that the pattern's going to play out, when sometimes it doesn't. You need to wait for that confirmation, guys, and a lot of people got absolutely wrecked, I'm guessing. So if I get the chart out, I just want to show you a chart that not many people actually bring out. I just want to show you the BTC USD short. So this is the amount of short positions that are currently in play. So as you can see, guys, the shorts are stacking up nicely once again, guys. So we could be, and last time this happened, guys, I just want to show you something. So from April, price was rising, if you remember. Look, I just want to show you. From 1st of April, price was rising. And look at that, the shorts were rising. And then what ended up happening is on the 2nd of May, we got this short squeeze where a lot of these shorts got liquidated, which ultimately pushed the price even higher. And all I want to show you is the amount of shorts that we've got currently. It's quite parabolic, to be honest, guys. The amount of shorts that we've got going on, it's rising. But what I'm looking at, you've got this resistance box here where each time it's happened, prices fell down. We broke through this, and then as soon as we broke down under it, look, price is struggling. So this is a region that I'm currently looking at, and we could be looking for another short squeeze because we have got quite a few shorts in play at the moment. Anyway, back to the Bitcoin. Let me just remove these drawing tools, just make it a bit more clearer. You can kind of see what's going on. So like I said, guys, no pattern is valid until you have the confirmation. So if, for example, you was gonna believe this head and shoulders pattern would play out, you'd wait a confirmation. So personally, this is not financial advice, obviously, guys. This is just something I would do, just my opinion. I would have had the short under the neckline here. Just saying, if price broke under that, that's a confirmation. The pattern is valid, the head and shoulders is valid, and then price would ultimately fall to this region. But it hasn't. It played out. Prices surged higher. We went to about 8,675, and in my opinion, price will now consolidate. And another thing I will show you what's kind of gathered's happening on. You've got this. So what it looks like is this mini bull flag, if you like. So we've had this massive bullish engulfing candle that took us above the 8,400 to the 8,750, and then price has just been consolidating. Even though this is the 4-hour chart, there's not much data here to kind of validate this. So usually a bull flag is a measured move. So you would take the length of the pole, which I have here. So this lines up exactly with the pole, and if we get a break of this region, look where it lines us up, guys. It lines us up pretty much where rejection was found in this region here. So two scenarios: we can consolidate, retest this zone here. If not, the downside target that I think can happen, you have this support here. I mean, if you look at this support, it held 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. So this trend line is pretty valid. So I'll look at to possibly find support on this trend line, and then price can slightly start climbing up and then retest this zone. If, however, we fall below it, we have this pink box of support where it was support here, support, resistance here, support here. And now we've broken above this. This, in fact, should now turn into support. So we have this boxed area of support. So we can even go that and just consolidate and then carry on higher. But also, another scenario, guys, that we might be having is, so sorry, I'm just giving you all kind of scenarios that can possibly play out here. So we have this support here, and then also we have this trend line here, another trend line. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times we touch, and then price absolutely pretty much parabolic to the upside once again, guys. So at the moment, price is we're above this region here, so we can even, as long as we're trading within this zone here, guys, price could bounce up in between this region here before absolutely breaking to the upside. I'm not going to give my further down predictions because, like I said, guys, we need confirmation. We need to take out that wick of rejection for price to carry on higher. Anyway, let me jump on to the Ethereum chart, and just something that I've noticed on Ethereum, we have this rising wedge pattern here. But guys, I'm not going to short it because, like I said, no pattern is valid until you have confirmation. And my confirmation would be a break under this trend line, a close, and that pattern would be now valid. And then you look at that, price could possibly fall down all the way here, where we have this zone of demand, this zone of buy orders here that we've had around about $225. So, but if price comes to this region, I mean, it's getting squeezed to the absolute max now, guys. So in a minute now, Ethereum will have to make a decision of where it's going to go. But sometimes people believe Ethereum is kind of will show you the altcoin market where it's possibly going, and the sometimes also the Bitcoin market where it could be going. So to get invalidated, if we break above this region here, then this pattern will be invalidated. But up to now, it is looking quite bearish because we've just been bouncing in this tight region, and price has been getting squeezed and squeezed, where now price has to make a decision of where to go. So like I said, if we break under this trend line, price can melt all the way down to $225. Right, let me quickly just jump into XRP. I'll try and make this as quick as possible. Once again, I just want to show you something where we have this, again, tight region where XRP has been traveling in. I mean, look at this. We've got this trading zone here where price has just been traveling in. So in my opinion, we have this support here. If price breaks under this support, and then you're looking about around about the 37-cent region where we previously wicked to, around about this region of 37 cents. Price, there's a lot of demand in this region, as you can see, guys. Every time we've tested this region, price is quickly broken up. Also, I just want to show a couple of trend lines I've just noticed. So if I just get rid of this and this, so if I get this trend line here, down here, so you also got this trend line here. So if price touches this, we can even retest this trend line here or further up in this zone here, so which also coincides with this region here. So I'm looking for another test of this support. If it breaks down, then 37 cents will come into play. If we bounce and rise high, we've got this resistance here, this upper resistance here, and then further up we've got this area of resistance where price got rejected around about 42 cents. But in my opinion, it's very choppy, the price of XRP. But since we broke above the 36 region since the 14th of May, we've kind of been traveling in this region here until we have to take out these upper wicks here and this one here, this double top here that we've had here. We need to take them out and push higher to see the 50 cents and above. Anyway, guys, hope you enjoyed this quick video breakdown. Give it a like, subscribe, follow me on Instagram at Money Dropout, and on my Telegram. I'll try and leave my link in the description. And thanks for watching this video, guys, and I'll see you guys on the moon. Crypto Chris over and